Hello, good morning, welcome back. Today is the 9th of March 2022. I am your host, Maurice Rothwell, International Trading Coach here at TradersClub24 in Hamburg, and we are logged in once again for the morning market opening trade in the DAX. So let's get to it. Straight into the MetaTrader. Here up in the top right-hand corner, we have our SwissBox trading tool. This is what we're going to be using to place and activate all of our trades. Way it works is if I come to the SwissBox, I'm going to click these box lines on. As soon as I click those box lines on, we get two lines appear in the chart, red line and a green line. These represent two pending orders, green one being a buy stop, the red one being a sell stop. In the middle, we have 12.5. That's representing 12.5 points of range between those two pending orders. Essentially, this is a trap range. And what we want to do, we want to trap the market within that range just before we expect to break out. Hence why we're trading 3 minutes before the market opening here. As you know, 9 o'clock German time, we see the opening of the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. And at that moment, we have the collision of the cash market and the futures market in the DAX index. So that's why we're trading the cash market. We're waiting for the opening. We're waiting for that collision and the two prices finding a middle ground is the idea. What we can see when we go into the chart, we can see we've got these purple lines. These purple lines are called big numbers. They're simply big numbers in the market price. We consider these to be pivot points. As you can see, sort of resisting from these areas, supporting back from the same areas again and again. This is the trade that I would like to take. I'm a little bit late to get in there just now. However, we've got 2 minutes left, and we can wait and see if we get a retracement or not. Great thing about this SwissBox is the direction of the market is completely irrelevant. So as I was saying, we want to trap the market within this trap range. Once we've trapped it in the middle of this range, what's going to happen is we're going to have two pending orders set, and as soon as the market escapes from this trap or passes the green line, passes the red line, it's going to activate one of those two pending orders. In which case, we can try a bit of a freestyle. Let's wait and see if we can get the market. So we've still got 1 minute left before the market opening. So I'm going to place that trap there, and what's going to happen as soon as it falls in, there the trap is now activated. As soon as the market now retraces out of that like so, it's going to activate that buy trade. And immediately we get this blue line appear in the chart. This blue line is our take profit, which is predetermined within the SwissBox. We have our seal percentage, that's our target percentage, which is at 0.076%. So that is the take profit, 0.076%. And once we hit that line, of course, the trade closes automatically and we are done. However, as we know, the market can just as easily go down towards the supporting big number here, or just go down the chart, at which point it will surpass the red line there where our sell stop pending order is waiting. And as soon as the sell stop pending order is activated, we don't close the first trade, we simply just open up a second trade. And then the blue line will jump from the top of the chart to the bottom. So there's the close and there's the opening. Oops. So there was the close at the opening. So what I could do is we're just going to check out the other charts here. So I've made some other trades just earlier on. Here's one in the FTSE market, which has had the third trade open so far. And what that means, it means that the market's come down 1, 2, and 3 times. Each time it passes one of these lines, we're going to open up a brand new trade, like so. So now we've just gone past the red line, and now we've propelled ourselves into a short position. So now we have a new target, which is just here. And as soon as the market reaches this level, what's going to happen is all 4 of those trades are going to close simultaneously, and the leftover is 0.076% profit. So what we can do is we can probably go over here and set another trade up in the DAX at that big number. And ultimately, we want to be trading these opening times where there's a lot of movement in the market. So once we've trapped the market, it's a simple case of waiting for it to escape. And there's the first trade there, and the blue line appears. Let's check out our gold on the MTX. Still no signal given to us just yet. However, we'll check that back in the next 5 or 10 minutes. So interesting point here, what we can see is we can see that we're clearly resisting in the market at this big number in the FTSE. So since we broke it here, we supported, support, broke through, and now we keep retracing from that same level. So ultimately what we're waiting for here is a confirmation of the break. So we can see that we've kind of broke up and then we've come straight back for a retest and we've actually broken it. And now we should have a confirmation of a support above this big number. If we get that confirmation of support above the big number, then yeah, we should start to climb up the charts. If we come over to the Dow, and there's an activation on the DAX big number there, and there is the second trade out already for the DAX. So that is 2 opening trades that we've done there in the last 5 minutes for everyone. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. We'll be back again tomorrow for the market opening video, so please take care. Happy trading, and if you want to test the tools out for yourself, don't forget to click the link down below and visit the website. Thank you very much, and goodbye.
So thank you for watching, guys, and keeping up with our live trading room. If you want to see more content involving a range of different other trading products, please hit that like and subscribe button and we will create for you.